Now, before we begin, let's take the room temperature and compare with the Samsung A55 before gaming. So as you can see, room temperature is 32 and the device itself is 34. This is before we start up PUBG. So let's quickly get in and start up the game. Okay, here it goes. The highest graphic settings here is HDR with Ultra FPS. And the best setting you can get for this mid-range device would be smooth in extreme FPS. And that's what we're going to start with just for the test purposes. And I will be using some applications so I can show you the FPS, and a couple of you requested the CPU performance, the battery drain, and the RAM usage. So I'll go ahead and set those parameters and make sure that it comes up during the gameplay. So I'm using this Taco Stats and Shakezoo, something like that. Yeah, so basically this is what it looks like. It's gonna be red, print up there. Hope it's clear enough for you to see. Yeah. So we're going to go into the gameplay and you can see for yourself what the parameters say. The only challenge we're going to have is this is the free version of this application, so we're only allowed to have this discussion for a maximum of 5 minutes. So let's say after 5 minutes of gameplay you should have already figured out what the parameters are, and we can just go ahead and have some fun without the FPS parameters showing. All right.
We are number one.